Bakit maingat ang Muslim sa online products? Halal matters. Hindi lahat ng product pwedeng bilhin agad. For Muslims, buying is not just about price, brand, convenience. It's about halal compliance. Online shopping becomes risky kapag walang clear certification ang product, hindi transparent ang ingredients, at hindi trusted ang source. Because halal certification is not just food, it's a lifestyle, ethics, and trust system. Kaya maingat ang Muslim consumers sa online buying. Ngayon, kung gusto mong malaman kung saan makakabili ng 100% halal certified products online para hindi ka na mag-second guess kapag bibili ka ng regalo sa Muslim mong kaibigan, then follow and subscribe dahil soon sasabihin ko saan at paano. If you like this video, leave it a like and follow for more. Muli, ako si Maria, isa sa ambasador ng Falcon Bay.